Hi, I'm Navya. Welcome to our channel, The Fitness Blueprint Reveal, in this section of Easy-Peasy home workouts. Your go-to guide for fun, simple, easy workouts that you can do within the confines of your own home. So after this long gap, thanks to my online classes and exams, we are back with part 2 of core exercises. So keep watching.
Love is sacred, love is kind, but love is only a state of mind. It's in your heart and in your soul, where nothing hurts like letting go of all you had, go of all you want, and surrender to a higher cause, and we will jump straight over the field. I know.
Hope you guys enjoyed and start to follow the same from now on.
So stay safe, stay healthy and stay fit.
Until next time, where we're going to show you more exercises which you can easily do from home. Be sure to be tuned into Easy-Peasy home workouts. Bye.